Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Hyundai Genesis G70. This one is gray. Underneath it is a 3.3 liter twin turbo V6 with 365 horsepower and 376 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Beige leather interior. Panorama sunroof. G70 H-Track 3.3 turbo badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats. Keyless entry. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Surround view backup camera with sensors. Hard keys for the radio and media display. Heated steering wheel. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled seats. Automatic transmission. Different driving modes. This G70 has 30,201 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Hyundai Genesis G70, visit us at feldmannimports.com.